Hello guys, my name is Jambi and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new YouTube channel, so let me start by introducing it. In this channel, we are going to be learning how to create things. And by things, I mean a lot of things, from jewelry, ornaments, accessories, DIYs, life hacks, anything that you guys will be interested in, and any other thing that I find helpful to you. And I have a lot of things in mind. I have a lot of ideas, a lot of things that I want to teach you guys how to make. So welcome on board. Let's get creative together. And I hope you enjoy and I hope you have fun. So today, this being the first video, I'm not going to show you how to make anything, but I'm going to show you the materials that we are going to be needing. The materials that I'm going to show you today are the most basic ones, the ones that we are going to need as we start. I'm going to add others as we continue, and also I'm going to indicate down below where you can purchase the materials in Nairobi. And the reason why I decided to do this is because I also learned how to create from YouTube. And when I started, I faced a challenge in getting the materials because the videos that I watch are not locally made, because I've not found any YouTuber that's making tutorials on how to create things from Kenya. So I watch videos that are not locally made. So when I started, they recommended places that I could not access. And now, because I've been making jewelry and other things for quite some time, I know places in Nairobi where you can purchase the materials, so I'm going to recommend them. And I hope anyone who wants to make jewelry, or anyone who is making jewelry and wants to get the materials, will be able to get them. So the materials that we're going to need as we start are the following. So we are going to need a pair of scissors. We are going to be doing a lot of cutting, so we are going to need a pair of sharp scissors. We're also going to need thread, and there are different types of thread. This one is the embroidery thread. This one is the normal thread that is used in making sweaters. And this one is, I don't know what it's called, but it's nylonish, and I use it to make bracelets. We're also going to need wire, because we're going to be making wire jewelry and other wire things. And also pliers. Pliers are used mostly in making wire jewelry. We're also going to need beads, and there are very many different types of beads. I'm going to indicate down below where I buy my beads from. Okay, there's also this other type of thread. It's quite thick, and I use it mostly to make necklaces and bracelets. And I use the black one is the one that I use mostly. I have run out of it, so in case anyone of you wants to buy, kindly buy a black one, because it's the one that is mostly used. We're still going to need a tape measure to make some measurements. We're still going to need chains, and these come in either silver or golden colors. We're still going to need pendants, and there are very many different types of pendants. There are small ones, big ones. So those are the basic things that you're going to need. Okay, there is these small rings that are very important in jewelry making. They are called jump rings. They also come in either silver or golden colors. So that's just a sneak peek of the materials that you're going to need. I'm going to add more others as we continue. But don't worry, because in case I add another material, I'm going to indicate where I buy the materials. So in case any one of you wants to get an idea of what to expect, I've been creating for quite some time, and I post my designs on either Instagram or Facebook. So I'm going to link the pages down below, so that in case any of you wants to check them out, you can visit my Instagram or Facebook page. Or also, in case any of you wants to purchase, you can talk to me on either Instagram or Facebook. So the designs that you're going to see there are just examples of what is in store for you. I have a lot of other things, a lot of other ideas, a lot of things that I've made before, and others that I've never even made before. And also the next video is going to be a tutorial, so stay on the lookout. I'm going to teach you how to make something really beautiful. And thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till next time,